How to see your website analytics on Wix. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your website analytics on Wix easily. First thing, go to manage.wix.com and here you will find this dashboard and you will find the analytics. Click view all reports and here you go. Now here you can see all your reports and analytics. You can see your booking, your stores, your traffic, and everything from here. For example, if you want to see your traffic, go to traffic over time, click line chart, and that's it. Here you will find your line chart of your traffic. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.